The only thing that keeps the outside world away from the inside of your house is a door lock. However, did you know that the lock and key has been around for thousands of years? It's scary to think that the design hasn't changed much. However, in recent years, we've been using more electronic locks. In fact, most developed countries use electronic locks, except for the US, which has been lagging behind. Today, I'm showing you the X1 smart lock. It is manufactured by Thorbolt. The smart lock is very easy to install by yourself. If you're replacing an existing deadbolt on your door, it's probably going to take you about 15 minutes to install this. If you're drilling new holes onto the door or onto the frame, it's probably going to take you about an hour. In this video, I'm going to show you the step on how to install this smart lock. The first thing you want to do is remove your existing deadbolt. Unscrew the latch assembly and then the front and back faceplate of the deadbolt. Just pull it apart like a clamshell. Once the front and back faceplates are out, then you can pull out the latch assembly. Next, grab the new latch assembly and then put it into the door slot. Make sure to insert it in the correct position. To make it easier for you, the word up is imprinted on the latch. The next step is to mount the exterior panel. Do not cut or crimp this jumper cable. Carefully route it underneath the door latch. Slowly and gently slide the exterior panel onto the door latch. It should fit like a glove. For the next step, use some tape to make sure that the panel does not fall off. Install the mounting plate onto the interior side of the door. Route the jumper cable through the square box on the lower left corner. Use the longer silver screws to attach the mounting plate through the latch assembly and onto the exterior panel. Make sure the screws are tight so it doesn't wobble. The next step is to attach the internal panel onto the mounting plate. Connect the jumper cable onto the white connector on the back of the panel. You will hear a click noise when it's fully seated. Carefully place the interior panel onto the mounting plate. Next, remove the battery compartment by sliding it upward. In the middle of the panel, there are two holes that you put the black screws through. Tighten the screws until the panel does not move anymore. Make sure to test out the deadbolt every now and then to make sure that it's aligned correctly. If the latch assembly is misaligned, it's going to wear out the motor and batteries quicker. The smart lock is powered by 8 AA batteries. You can use alkaline, lithium, or rechargeable batteries. The manual recommends that you use the same brand batteries for all 8. Do not mix and match old and new batteries. If necessary, install the strike plate and box. Because I was upgrading an existing deadbolt, I was able to skip this step. The next step is to remove the masking tape that you put on earlier. So there are 6 ways to unlock this smart lock. You can use the Apple Home Key, Siri, or the Thorbolt X1 app, the keypad or fingerprint, or if you're old school, you can use the physical key. The mobile app for the smart lock is super easy to use. With the app, you can configure and set up your lock. You can set up new users and configure their passcodes and their fingerprints. It also keeps a log of the users and when they use the smart lock. You can also issue temporary smart keys to your visitors. This is extremely useful if you have guests or if there's maintenance people coming to your house. The keypads are also lit for nighttime use. For extra security, there's also an anti-peeking mode. With this smart lock, I don't have to worry about carrying a physical key. I love the convenience of using my fingerprint or my Apple phone to unlock my deadbolt.